The MUSICOZY Sleep Headphones Bluetooth Headband is a versatile wireless audio solution designed for both sleep and active use. It combines the convenience of Bluetooth 5.4 connectivity with a comfortable, stretchy headband that integrates ultra-thin HD stereo speakers. This product aims to provide a seamless listening experience without the bulk or discomfort of traditional headphones, making it suitable for side sleepers, athletes, and anyone seeking a comfortable way to enjoy audio during rest or activity. One of the standout features of this headband is its two-in-one design, functioning both as sleep headphones and sports earphones. The band keeps hair and sweat managed during physical activities such as jogging, yoga, and gym workouts while allowing users to take calls thanks to its built-in microphone. The Bluetooth 5.4 technology ensures a stable and compatible connection with a wide range of devices, including tablets, smartphones, and other Bluetooth-enabled electronics. Sound quality is a critical aspect of any headphone, and the MUSICOZY headband delivers clear and balanced audio. Featuring 40mm composite drivers, it provides rich bass, clear mid-range, and balanced treble. While it does not produce deep bass comparable to conventional over-ear headphones, the sound clarity is impressive given the design constraints of a thin headband speaker. Users have noted that pressing the speakers closer to the ears enhances the bass, but the default experience is well tuned for comfort and clarity rather than heavy bass. Comfort is a major selling point for this product. Constructed from highly elastic and breathable materials such as spandex, nylon, and elastic fibers, the headband is soft, lightweight, and hypoallergenic. It fits snugly without feeling tight, accommodating various head sizes, including larger heads up to approximately 23.75 inches in circumference. The fabric is sweat-absorbent, which is beneficial for both sleep and workout scenarios. Many users report that the headband feels like wearing a soft, lightweight band rather than headphones, making it easy to fall asleep with it on or wear it for extended periods during exercise. Battery life is another strong feature. The rechargeable lithium battery offers up to 14 hours of continuous playtime on a single charge, which takes about 1 to 2 hours. This extended battery life supports overnight use and long workout sessions without frequent recharging. The battery is reported to maintain its capacity for 2 to 3 years, ensuring long-term usability. Charging is straightforward via a Type-C cable, and the headband powers on and connects quickly to devices. The microphone quality is notably good for Bluetooth headphones in this category. While it lacks advanced noise-canceling features, the mic captures voice clearly enough for calls and voice commands. The latency is acceptable for casual use, including gaming in a pinch, although it does not have a dedicated low-latency mode. This makes it versatile for various audio needs beyond just sleep or exercise. A few drawbacks have been mentioned by users. Washing the headband can be challenging because the internal components, including the speakers and control box, must be carefully removed and reinserted. Some users find this process tricky and worry about damaging the electronics or misplacing parts. Additionally, the pairing process requires unpairing from previous devices before connecting to a new one. Failure to do so can result in unexpected reconnections and noise, as reported in a case where a computer reconnected in the middle of the night. This issue can be managed with proper device settings, but may inconvenience some users. The headband does not provide active noise cancellation. While the music is clear and can mask ambient sounds to some extent, it does not block out surrounding noise entirely. This feature is suitable for those who want awareness of their environment or prefer a less isolating listening experience. Overall, the MUSICOZY Sleep Headphones Bluetooth Headband is an excellent value for its price point. It offers a unique combination of comfort, sound quality, and battery life in a form factor that supports both restful sleep and active lifestyles. It is especially recommended for side sleepers who find traditional headphones uncomfortable, as well as for users who want a lightweight, easy-to-wear audio device for meditation, relaxation, or casual listening. The product comes with a 1-year manufacturer's warranty and responsive customer support, which adds confidence for buyers. Users are encouraged to keep their phones on silent mode to avoid hearing notifications through the headphones during sleep, which some find beneficial as it allows alarms to be heard clearly. In conclusion, the MUSICOZY Sleep Headphones Bluetooth Headband meets or exceeds expectations for a sleep and sports headphone. It is soft, breathable, and fits well, with sound quality that is clear and balanced. The battery life is impressive, and the Bluetooth connection is stable. While there are minor inconveniences related to washing and device pairing, these do not significantly detract from the overall positive experience. For those seeking a comfortable, multifunctional headphone solution, this product is a strong contender. If you own this headband, sharing your experience in the comments can help others make informed decisions. The product link is provided in the description to support the channel and assist viewers in finding this item easily.